Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make 360-degree photo in Photoshop. Step by step. Apply. Step 1. Go to file, open your image. Example. Go to filter tab, distort, polar, coordinates, rectangular to polar or polar to rectangular. Example, use rectangular to polar. Click OK. And step 2, use multiple photo. Go to file, script, load file into stack, browse, open multiple image. Example, use 2 image. Click OK. Wait some moment. Hold shift, select multiple image, then click on the move tool, move. Place your image. Hold shift again, select all image, go to edit tab, blend layers, blend, right press Ctrl E or right click, convert to smart object. Go to filter tab, distort again, apply the same process, click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.